So this is what Dad does. It's for your son. It's okay.
Oh.
You don't like playing in the woods? Lily, are you having fun? Oh, she already has mud on her face. How you give your wife a heart attack?
What was that?
Oh, it was the ladder. You climb up.
I'm gonna put that down there.
Okay.
Because it got in my mouth.
Okay.
Of course, you have to know it got
You
it.
see her? She just wants to climb.
That's so scary.
I got a firm grip on her.
Sorry if the camera's shaking.
Oh, you're recording a video?
Yes.
You're a horrible mother. Why would you?
You're a horrible
Why
father.
would you let your kids follow?
Uh-oh, your hat's coming on.
Down this thing. Right?
There's nothing here.
Oh no. Oh my god.
Just sit down, then turn.
Sit.
Oh my god. That is so scary.
Sit down, okay?
I could see everything from
Are you scared? Yeah.
up
Hey,
here.
be very nice to her.
Oh, Lily, don't touch the snow. It's yucky. It's all muddy.
Is it cool?
She's happy if she's yucky.
Oh my god, do you see it?
Is this crazy?
Well, I need to go solve this, so.
Your socks?
Lila's driving. She's driving all by herself. Oh boy. Are you guys having so much fun?
I just get them apples.
Yeah, we gave the horses and donkey an apple and carrots and sugar.
Donkey.
And now Donkey's still eating over there. Oh. That's May. She's getting big. You want her to be pregnant. Hi, May. She usually doesn't like me, but now that she wants food, she's willing to give me love. Say love you, May.
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
Aw. Should we eat our grass? They're Easter grass, not real grass. Okay, let's go get it. Ficus keeps being very sweet to me. We're taking a break at the farm for some Oreos. Oreos.